Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my week of favorites. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about my top 5 deep conditioners slash hair masks. Keep on watching. So in no particular order, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 deep conditioners slash hair masks for 2023. And up first is from Baskin Bloom. This is the Barami Root Hair Mask, which restores and protects the hair. And this one will actually be in my product empties. Smells amazing, like all of their products do. Not sure if you can see from the little bit that is left. It's a very creamy hair mask. Works absolutely amazing. If you have not tried this, you definitely want to add it to your stash, as well as all of the products from Baskin Bloom. I definitely stand behind this brand. So this Barami Root Hair Mask, it says it's a deep treatment that includes Ayurvedic herbs to aid in strengthening, moisturizing, and restoring the hair. And it also promotes healthy hair growth. Definitely does exactly that. Next up in my top 5 deep conditioners slash hair masks for 2023 is from TreLuxe. And this is from the new Soothe and Restore line that just came out a few months ago. So this is the Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. It says it provides moisture, anti-breakage, and detangling, and it does exactly that. Like, I did a deep conditioner. I'm gonna insert some clips. Just watch. So I deep conditioned with this for the first time. And when I said my curls were looking like I added a styler, as if this was a gel of some sort, this is definitely a must-have. This is also will be in my product empties because she's gone. Has a nice, fresh, clean, real subtle smell. Very creamy, very moisturizing. This deep conditioner defines your curls. Definitely want to add this to the list. And thank me later. So the description says, when dryness, dullness, breakage, or stiff curls is what you experience, this ultra moisturizing deep conditioner treatment is what you need. Couldn't agree more. So next up in my favorite deep conditioner slash hair mask for 2023 is from none other than Camille Rose. And this is from the Black Castor Oil and Shea Butter line. This deep conditioner is an intense strengthening treatment, and it is also vegan friendly. If you know anything about Camille Rose products, you know that they are super moisturizing, and this deep conditioner gives the moisture. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, because this one is not empty. This is my second jar. Can we see all that goodness in there? And the smell, amazing. I'm ready to wash my hair right now just so that I can use this deep conditioner. It's so good. So if you have not tried this yet, and it's nice and thick and creamy. Like, she's not going anywhere. It's very thick and creamy. Definitely want to add this one to your list if you have not tried it yet. Next up in my top hair mask slash deep conditioners of 2023 is from Azure Beauty and the Blue Tansy line. So obsessed with this line and the packaging. Love it. So this is the Blue Tansy Reparative Mask, which strengthens and repairs for damaged or color treated hair. This is another thick mask. Little goes a long way with this one. She's not going anywhere. Show you what she looks like. Thick, creamy. It's like a, kind of like a sweet clay sort of smell. This mask is bomb. Absolutely love the entire Blue Tansy line. So if you haven't tried it yet, definitely want to give it a try. And last but definitely not least, in my top deep conditioner slash hair mask for 2023 is from a brand that I love, Uncle Funky's Daughter. This is the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. If you're one of the girlies or guys who loves a good tingle to your scalp, this is for you. The minty smell and the minty tingle, I got it kind of close to my lip. The minty smell and the minty tingle that you get from Heal and Renew is unmatched. Love it. I'm not even sure what number jar this is for me, 5, 6. I've stopped counting. This is always in heavy rotation. So this one is very creamy, very moisturizing, and she gets the job done. So if you haven't tried any products from Uncle Funky's Daughter and you're not sure where to start, start here. Start here. So this is an intensive hair mask with silk protein, avocado, and bamboo oils, and it is for all hair textures. Absolutely 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Here's a quick recap of my favorite hair mask slash deep conditioners for 2023. We have the Brahmi Root hair mask from Baskin Bloom, the Soothe and Restore Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner from TreLuxe, the Black Castor Oil and Shea Butter Deep Conditioner from Camille Rose, the Blue Tansy Reparative Mask from Azure Beauty, and Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask from Uncle Funky's Daughter. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried any of these hair masks. If you haven't tried them but have some that you want to try, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what hair masks slash deep conditioners are your favorite for 2023. Let's chat it up in the comment section. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please, 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 please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you've missed any of my week of favorites, I'll link those videos up above as well as in the description box below. Thanks again for watching.